So not only does FiFine make pretty decent microphones, did you know that they also make other cool gadgets? Today we're going to be checking out the AmpliGame D6 programmable stream controller by FiFine. But of course, as always, we have to see what comes in the box. So as always, I am a big fan of the color scheme from FiFine. I actually love purple. Purple is my favorite color. So yeah, let's get this opened up. The first thing that we see is going to be a user guide. Well, it's actually a very detailed user guide and it's in color. So you can tell that FiFine actually does care about their products. Let's take out this foam. Let's take out the device and check out, see what's under it. The only thing that comes with this device is going to be the cable that connects to your computer. And it's a pretty long cable actually. And of course, just like all of their other products, we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C with an A adapter in case you need that plug for your computer, and nothing else is in the box. All right, now let's take a look at the actual device itself. Ooh, they sent out the white one. They know we like the white color. Wow. Very nice. Now that we've seen what's in the box, let's talk about specs. The FiFine AmpliGame Stream Controller is a customizable USB peripheral featuring 15 keys designed to streamline digital workflows for streamers, creators, and professionals. It acts as a physical controller for software such as OBS, Twitch, and Photoshop, allowing users to switch scenes, launch media, and adjust audio with a single press. This means that you can streamline workflows in professional environments and also streamline your streaming while gaming, so it's easier to launch apps, respond to chat, set up effects, and even trigger sounds to make your stream more entertaining. To set up the controller, you just need to plug in the USB Type-C cable to the back and then plug in the other end to your PC, either by using the Type-C or the Type-A adapter that is included. Next, download the D6 software from the FiFine website. You can either get the Windows or the Mac version. You will need this because this is the program that you will be using to set up the macro keys to do whatever you want them to do. Within the software, on the right side of the panel, you will see a list of selections of different things you can add. The FiFine control deck, which lets you add things like previous page and next page, even options like brightness. So it allows you to control different features. The toolbox that lets you add specific web pages or apps to launch with a press of a button, as well as multimedia options. Not only that, but you can add hotkeys here to create your own custom workflow. There are so many options to customize your controller, and most of it is just drag and drop with minimal configuration. It also has an entire section dedicated to OBS, so you can control scenes, cameras, effects, and more. You can make OBS work just the way you want it to. Something else that you can actually find within the software is the store. If you click on the blue icon on the top left corner, that will open up the store. This is going to be a place to discover new plugins, and after looking into it, there is a ton of different plugins that you can add to your software. Plugins for audio, plugins for editing, plugins for social media, plugins for Photoshop, plugins for just speed test monitoring, plugins for OBS, Premiere, Adobe Lightroom, Twitch, a whole bunch of different plugins. They even have plugins for Minecraft. You have many options for productivity, monitoring, finance, smart home, music, and everything. I also have to add that you are not limited just to the 15 buttons. You can add pages just by pressing the plus symbol and do an entire new page with 15 more options. So you can have a page for apps, page for hotkeys, a page specifically for OBS, a page for effects, whatever you want, up to 10 pages. But each page can also have added scenes, so you have a crazy amount of added selections within each page. It's actually insane how much this device lets you do. Honestly, we could probably make a video just on setting up all of these options, but sadly there are too many to cover here. So you are going to have some fun setting up your layout for your workflow. Now, physically, the FiFine AmpliGame Stream Controller looks amazing. The design is well made, the quality feels good, the buttons are not super loud, they do have a rubbery feel to them, so soft to the touch, but again, not super loud, so you're not going to hear it through your microphone if you are streaming live. It's also not super big, so it's not going to take a lot of space on your desk, but instead it's going to complement what's already on your desk. And with it also having RGB, you can customize the lighting to fit your space. So, final thoughts. With the 15 programmable macro keys, you can literally customize this to do anything that you want. So whether you're actually doing like professional work, like editing, and you need to be able to macro key a lot of your shortcuts, or just something that will bring out the software that you want so you don't have to continuously keep clicking on things, this is perfect. If you're a gamer / streamer, you can macro all of your effects and all of your POVs and everything that you need to do as a streamer. This is a very nice device for that. I'm personally going to include this into my personal setup from now on because I actually do stream, and I also see the benefit of this when I'm editing. So this little device is going to become part of my main workflow setup and my main gaming setup. So what do you think? Let me know down in the comments below if you already have this device, what your experiences are. And if you don't already own this device and you want to check it out for yourself, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. So make sure that you look down there and check it out. All right, everyone, I hope that this video gave you more insight on what this product is. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.